Peter. Peter, he said he had a few words for us and he wasn't going to embarrass us. So, let me see.
So this is Peter Brouwer. Peter was born in Holland, in Amsterdam. And just so you know, Peter is a doctor of chiropractic and neuropathy. And we're also privileged to have his daughter Chandel here with us today. So Peter, what do you like about living at Mount Ida Mews?
It is such a beautiful environment that we are privileged to live in. And not only that we are here, but especially today, what a wonderful day it's been. I thank the good Lord for all the benefits that we have, and especially in a situation like this, we're blessed beyond comparison. I thank you all for being here and listening to me for a few minutes. It's a privilege to be here. God bless it. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Peter. So next up we have Lillian Kuzmick. Lillian came all the way from Russia. And we're also privileged to have her daughter-in-law, Gudrun, here with us today, from Kenya. So we truly are a multinational family. So Lillian, why do you like living at Mount Ida Mews?
Oh, I like the people that work there. They're very pleasant, and they do everything for us. I was going to see if I can wash the pattern. That good. It was very clean. And the food is excellent. The rooms are clean and neat, and the bed is good. And if it weren't, I'd be complaining. And I don't think I complained about that at all, or near the food. And it's very clean. They keep it very clean. So the girls that clean need a lot of credit for that, with us ramping the place from limb to limb.
Thank you so much, Lillian. Well, there you have it. So, last but not least, we have Peter Kilby. Now, I have to get his designation right here. So Peter Kilby is Brigadier General Peter Kilby. And we are also privileged to have his wife, Barb, and his daughter, Marion, with us today. Thank you. So Peter, what do you like about living at Mount Ida Mews?
I managed to convince our hostess here that I wouldn't embarrass her, but I wasn't going to tell her what I had to say. That's a little trick that the public relations people use in the military to sort of get them off balance. The First Nations drumming really took me back. For I played in the houses and the back playgrounds of people at Chelis and Scollets, and had many friends. Before they had to go away to school, and I was too little and too dumb to know how hard that was for them. But I've come to learn it is something that we can do things about. And we're seeing leadership from the people themselves. And I hope that that would be the aim that we would have with whatever else is done in this location, is that we make sure that everything goes well or properly, not just with the people here, but their families as well. God bless.